I'm going to go on a limb today and do a different kind of video. Jeep ASMR. Jeep Momma's version of brain tingles. ASMR, a feeling of well-being with a tingling sensation in the scalp and down the back of your neck, as experienced by some people in response to a specific sound. Some say it's triggered by whispering voices, paper tearing, or a scalp massage. Some people experience it while getting a haircut. Some say the brain tingles are from a particular sound frequency. Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, ASMR. It's characterized by a combination of positive feelings and a sensation on your skin from auditory stimuli. Let's find out. Who wants to go on a trip with me? Hi, this is Jeep Momma. Any Jeeper knows the sounds of their Jeep or the sounds of off-roading gives them the brain tingles. I'm going on a trail ride. Do you want to go with me? Yeah, here we go. Sit back and relax. Pour yourself a drink. Here we go. We're now hitting pole line at Roush Creek. Every Jeeper needs to experience the pole line at Roush Creek. Oh, jeez.
Whoa, back up. You're not gonna make it. Good. Come, driver. Oh, okay, not coming, driver.
Launch it, the landing will be a little rough.
A little rough. Coming down easy.
Oh, shit.
Got it.
Coming down now.
Stop there.
None of that. Hold the brake, that'll come down by itself. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Oh,
Straight to me. There you go, straighten out a little bit. And girl.
All that twisting and turning, and then do the body.
Okay, hold that line, keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Now cut passenger. There you go. Right, hold up.
I still have my lockers off.
That's fine. I don't think you're gonna need them. Go passenger a little bit. Come forward. Now cut back driver. There you go. Now you're gonna cut you're gonna cut driver. Come forward.
don't say I think. tippy. Oh my God! Jesus! I didn't say the F word. Oh!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on.
Jeez!
Cut it high, cut it high. Do you like your salsa? Cut it, well, a little further, a little further. Now cut it back. As far as you can.
Holy Jesus! Oh! Are you sure? Holy crap!
Sure. Keep going, you're coming down, you're good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I feel like I'm gonna roll.
You're not gonna roll.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Holy... Oh my God!
You're coming down, you're good, you're good.
No! Oh! Holy shit!
That was close. You got sparkle in there.
You were just making that up. You didn't know if I was going to tip or not.
I was sure you weren't going to tip.
Holy crap.
Listen, before we realized that you were on the hard line. You just took the hard line we took everyone out of. No more passengers, you're just about out.
I don't want to go over this thing.
Well, you don't have a choice.
I know.
Compared to what you just went through.
Coming up and then you're out. Did you bring an extra pair of pants?
Yeah, I did. I need seat covers. Holy crap.
Good job. Washable seat covers. You're walking, you got it.
This trail is brought to you by the pen.
Well, now I
Thank you, Nate. Oh, I hate these.
So bypass it. You don't have to.
I know, but I do. Oh!
Looking good? Holy shit. Yeah, you see that? I think you lost an axle.
Shut up! Shut up!
I'm joking. Look how...
No, I thought I was going over.
Did you?
I thought I was going over right here.
Really?
Shut up! Oh, am I gonna... Oh, the wheel is up! Fuck! Shit! Holy shit, am I okay? Oh!
Driver. Hold that. Nice and slow.
Oh!
You're on the ground again.
Jeez.
Don't worry, gravity always wins. You'll come back down.
Yeah, but the wrong way. Oh! Ah! Ah! Shit!
Did you rip a hole in your seat?
Yes! Oh my God!
Driver. Kind of bit driver.
Keep coming.
There you go.
All right, now go passenger.
I can't turn it.
Yeah.
Jeez! Fuck. Oh!
Sammy, you there?
Sorry, I spilled my Cheetos.
Oh, that's okay. It's not the worst thing I've ever had on me.
Are you sure I'm not going to scrape?
You may scrape a little bit. You'll be fine.
Oh! I'm a very noisy driver.
That's fine.
Oh my God, are you sure?
I'm positive
Holy-
you're fine.
Oh, Jesus. Are you sure?
Yep.
Go where?
Just keep going straight.
Oh my God, are you sure?
Yep. Turn down just a little bit. Downhill just a little bit.
Holy fuck.
It's just stop right there. It feels worse than it is.
I know.
Get out and look at it if you want. It really does. You're going to look at it and be like, oh, is that all I was worried about?
Straight ahead, park next to that orange. Holy
Oh,
shit.
no.
Jesus.
Keep going.
Oh my
You're
God.
good. You're good. Keep going.
Oh my God. Jesus. Thanks for riding shotgun with me. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red subscribe button. Share your thoughts on ASMR in the comments below. Driving my Jeep doesn't give me those brain tingles, but it sure does make me feel good inside. It gives me those warm fuzzies. And I hope you get the same joy from driving your Jeep.